Okay, today we're going to open 3 packs of the Topps 1990 traded baseball cards. See who we find here. There they are. Pack number 1. No gum in these packs now. See what we find here. Hubie Brooks. Keith Hernandez. There's the back of the card. Pretty good looking card. Edgar Diaz. Pack number 2. Players who change teams, it says. There's a lot of stuff on the front of that package. Brunansky. Dan Javier. Mike Marshall. '81's the first year it shows there. Pack number 3, promising rookies, new managers. Okay. McDonald. Lynn. Not sure if he's in the Hall of Fame yet, but he should be. To the Padres. Played with the Dodgers. The Red Sox for years. Angels too. Stump Merrill, manager. All right. Pete O'Brien. I remember him when he played with the Rangers. Now here's some of the better cards I pulled out of these 3 packs. If you think I missed any, leave me a comment and let me know. Be glad to hear from you. I got more coming. Baseball, football, basketball. May even have some hockey. Get them up here as quick as we can. These all are for sale. You get everything in the video. Check the description below. And we'll see you next time.